No matter how hard I try, I never see results. I eat right, I work out, and yet my body still looks the same. What's the point of even trying anymore? Sounds familiar? You stare at the mirror, hoping, praying to see even the smallest sign of change. The countless hours at the gym, the carefully planned meals, the sacrifices you've made, and yet your body remains stubbornly unyielding. It's infuriating, it's exhausting, it's heartbreaking. You've followed the rules. You've done what the fitness gurus preach, and yet it feels like your body refuses to cooperate. And with every passing day, your motivation crumbles a little more. What am I doing wrong? That question haunts you. Is it your diet, your workouts, maybe your genetics are just against you, or worse, maybe you're just not meant to succeed? The frustration builds, and eventually you start to wonder, is all of this even worth it? What they don't tell you is that fitness is a long game. Social media, fitness magazines, and influencers make it seem like transformation happens in just a few months. 6-week challenges, 90-day body makeovers, it all gives the illusion that results come fast and easy. But the truth? Real sustainable change takes time. More time than most people are willing to accept. Your body is changing in ways you can't always see. Muscle replacing fat, but the scale doesn't reflect it. Increased strength and endurance, but your reflection looks the same. Metabolism boosting, but it's happening too slowly to notice. It's not that your efforts aren't working, it's that progress isn't always visible right away, and that's where most people give up. Let's talk about a few reasons why progress might feel like it's not happening. Results take months, not weeks. If you've been working hard for 3 months and don't see major changes, guess what? That's normal. Transformations aren't linear. Your body doesn't follow a strict schedule. Try this. Instead of looking for drastic changes, track progress differently. Take monthly progress photos, measure inches instead of weight, and note small strength gains. The scale is the biggest mind game in fitness. You could be losing fat and gaining muscle at the same time, making it seem like your weight isn't changing, but your body is changing just in ways the scale doesn't show. Try this. Ditch the scale for a while. Focus on how your clothes fit and how you feel in your body. If you've been doing the same workouts for months, your body may have adapted. The human body thrives on challenge, and when things get too easy, progress slows. Try this. Increase weights, try new movements, or change workout intensity to shock your muscles back into growth. Eating healthy isn't always enough. Portion control, macronutrient balance, and consistency matter. Even small mistakes, like undereating protein or oversnacking, can slow progress. Try this. Track your food intake for a week to see if you're hitting your protein and calorie goals correctly. Your body won't change if it's constantly stressed, overworked, or sleep-deprived. High cortisol, the stress hormone, can cause fat retention, and lack of sleep disrupts muscle recovery. Try this. Prioritize quality sleep and find ways to manage stress, whether it's yoga, meditation, or simply taking time for yourself. This journey isn't just about the body, it's about the mind. The frustration of slow progress can destroy motivation, making you feel like you're failing. But here's the truth. You are not failing. You are still showing up. You are still fighting for yourself. You're still making progress, even when you can't see it. The real failure is quitting, because if you stop, then you really won't see results. But if you push through, something amazing happens. One day, out of nowhere, you'll look in the mirror and finally see it. All those months of work, they weren't wasted. They were building up to this moment. When frustration takes over, don't let it push you away from your goals. Instead, try these. Take a break from the mirror. Stop obsessing over daily changes. Check progress monthly, not daily. Find small wins. Celebrate non-physical victories like lifting heavier, running longer, or feeling stronger. Reevaluate your routine. Small tweaks in diet, workouts, and recovery can make a big difference. Surround yourself with support. Fitness is easier with a community. Join a class, get an accountability partner, or follow motivating fitness content. Remind yourself why you started. Was it to feel confident, be healthier, set an example for your kids? Hold on to that reason when things get tough. Your body is always changing, even when you can't see it. So if you've been working hard and feel like nothing's happening, don't stop. Your body is working behind the scenes, adapting, improving, and getting stronger every single day. One day it will all click. The mirror will finally reflect the changes you fought for. The scale will finally budge. The clothes will finally fit the way you imagined. And when that moment comes, you'll realize that every frustrating, discouraging, exhausting day was worth it. Keep going. You are so much closer than you think.